matter. So abhi whether it is Ganesh फिर भाग गया.
आ गया.
Okay, guys.
Back and forth.
Guys, we are live. We are live on Facebook. So Bits and Banter has a fantastic group here today. All of them are my classmates from school, and we were all in school in the late 70s and 80s. So we have Krishnan here, who stays in Bangalore. We have Raghu Rao Raghavendra, stays in Bangalore. He is a media professional. Krishnan is a finance professional. Mohan Narayan Swamy is in Gurgaon. He is a travel professional. He runs his own travel organization. And then Gigi, short for Ganesh Gopalan, who is the financial whiz kid amongst us. वो जब तक वो जो समझाता है हमको अभी भी समझ में नहीं आता. अभी क्या करें यार? So welcome, guys, and over to all of you, each one of you. So I probably will start with whom do I start with? Raghu, what's your immediate thought on? So we are here to discuss India, Australia, by the way. And why are we doing this? Because we went on a nostalgic journey. हमारे टाइम पे नहीं जीतते थे ये सब. So we just started from there. So Raghu, over to you. What's your immediate thought?
My immediate thought was that Australians did not face these bowlers earlier. So these younger bowlers and even the batsmen, they had the advantage that they never faced these guys in the earlier, and these guys were very confident to take on Australia. And since they did not see too much of negativity by losers or losing games earlier, so that played over on their minds, and I think they come out winners in the end. Yeah, that is my thought.
Okay, great. Krishnan, what's your idea? So I'm going Bangalore first. Nothing, no hidden agenda here. मैं भी Bangalore में हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है.
Yeah, of course, we thoroughly enjoyed the last fourth test. So that was the result which made India to win the series. Excellent team. Though we at that point of time when we could able to see a lot of Australian professional cricketers, ex-cricketers said about India, saying that, oh, we will win, we will do whitewash, all this nonsense. But these youngsters really proved so well. So we are India is, see, if you see the Indian population, the way the passion to cricket, India is absolutely great. We have multiple sets of 11 players team which we can keep. This is something, one of the best team in the beginners who proved that we are capable to win the match. We are really good, and India is in a very safe. BCCI will be the happiest at this point of time that we have multiple people, even if seniors are not performing, we have the middle people or junior people or newcomers, whatever we should call them, they have performed well. Glad that we have such a wonderful team. That's it.
Great. That was. I think you guys summed it up pretty well. Mohan, what's your this thing? Because हम लोग cricket खेलते थे, कभी सोचा कि something like this will happen?
No. So for me, what the message this victory in the series gives is that, boss, the only thing that can cement your place in a team like India is performance. That's it. I mean, that's true even otherwise. But what I'm saying is that it reminds me of Bollywood, for example, right? So we have icons like Amitabh Bachchan, who's still a superstar, right? But if you see over the last two decades, it's the same kind of turnover that happens in Bollywood also. There are these new actors come, amazing performances they give. So in the same wavelength, I think it's the same thing with cricket as well. We had players who used to play. I mean, like when Dravid, Ganguly, Lakshman, Tendulkar, Sehwag, they all kind of one by one retired. There was this thing about, boss, what will happen to the future of Indian cricket? So I think we don't have to worry about that. There is absolutely, there's no dearth of talent, and I think you can be nobody in this country, but you can still play for the national team if you are talented, if you work hard, and of course you need to be you need to get noticed. That's also very, very important. So I think for me that's what it is. I mean, I don't think anyone gave us a chance to win this last test. I don't think anyone gave us a chance, including our own selves. We were that 186 for 6. And then that's where I think that was where the turnaround happened, and that partnership. And I think that really inspired the rest of the people also. I mean, that's what is my takeaways.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I mean, all of you are right, because even when the fourth test started, we were actually thinking, all of us, many of us were thinking draw. Many of us were thinking rain. Many of us were thinking, yaar, kaise isko nikale? Let us sort of share the series and retain the Border Gavaskar trophy. And suddenly, out of the blue, the unthinkable happens. Ganesh, what's your take on it? Can you hear us? Yeah.
First and foremost, this is unparalleled. This kind of victory.
Go ahead. Or I think he's
has
having it.
Probably never happened before in terms of facing adversity.
No, Ganesh, you are breaking up.
Am I audible?
No, I
Yeah,
can
you're
hear you.
audible. Continue. No problems.
Okay. We have had, of course, I endorse what Narayan Swamy said in terms of what cricket has done, not only in this current year and the decades gone by. Of course, the cricket has gone from strength to strength in India. But what this series has become very special and will continue to amaze us and the next generation is the fact, under the circumstances under which it was played. I mean, 9 out of the 11 people who played in the first test did not play. I mean, 9 people did not play. Only 2 of them played. So the unpredictability of this series was panning out day in, day out. We never could know what was happening in the Indian team. Who will be going out? What kind of injury will happen? Who will miss out? I mean, it was full of unpredictability. And come Brisbane, supposed to be the most fortress of Australian fortress, where Australia had never been beaten for the last 32 years. It was something unimaginable. It's like saying that it was nothing short of that. It will inspire millions and millions of people. And for that, I can only say one thing, that this was not done in a day. It, as Ravi Shastri rightly put, it took 5 years or 4 years of this thing to happen. You had the Rahul Dravids and the Ravi Shastris of the world who were working on the background staff, who were working for the under 19 India A, which actually gave the Natarajans and the Sirajas of the world to come to the big stage like Gaba and perform the way they did it. It is very inconceivable that all the 11 of them who played in Brisbane may not get to play in the same team, but still that doesn't matter. What it has done is it has taught Indians as 1.5 billion community to believe in themselves and say impossible is not possible. Impossible is impossible.
Great. Yeah, that is true. See, now think about our time when we were watching cricket. We started watching cricket. I mean, think of our school days. Think of the series that were played then. I mean, you had India's first tour against Pakistan, which came in when Kapil Dev came in 78. I think we were in class 9, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
1978.
So, usme kya hua tha? I mean, what were we praying? I mean, we were praying for a draw, right? Right.
Raj, I will say one thing.
Yeah.
I will say one thing. See, if you see Gavaskar's time and all, like Srikanth and all, after 6 wickets, you can add maximum 10 runs. Now that is totally gone. If you see the last 2 test match, we all feared that ki bloody yaar, ye wicket girega to sala ab haar jayenge. Last test match we are feared more because if we aim to draw very good. Why we were praying for rain? Because we still have that mindset of 1980s that ki boss agar 4 wicket gir gaya to line lag jayegi. That has broken down. Definitely, I will say. Definitely, because these players are coming. See, all these newcomers, when they enter into cricket, they have a good knowledge of cricket, batting and bowling, but they specialize in one thing. So they can even hold the bat for at least if they require. 3rd test match, you see the way which we draw the match here. Amazing.
Correct.
That is different. There is a different changes happened.
Correct. Raghu, you remember those days? Us time pe jab कमेंट्री सुन रहे रेडियो में, नो टेलीविजन राइट, रेडियो में अरे गावस्कर आउट हो गया, अरे छोड़ यार चल विल गो एंड प्ले नाउ.
नहीं, लाइब्रेरियन लिखता था ना अपने नोटिस बोर्ड पे,
हाँ.
हम भाग भाग के जाते थे
देखने के लिए. नहीं, हम लोग we used to sneak radios, I mean small transistors into the school, remember? छोटे-छोटे. हाँ.
उस टाइम पे तो साला लाइब्रेरियन के बोर्ड पे जाके देख के आते थे.
बिल्कुल.
क्या लिखा.
देखो you remember that? I mean वो देख के अरे यार वो आउट हो गया, अभी छोड़ यार, अभी चल टीटी खेलने चलते हैं.
I think Sridhar and Ganesh, some people used to bring transistors. I remember. Yeah.
And we used to sneak it into the class.
रंगा लाता था शायद,
रंगा लाता था. So we used to sneak it into the class and then वो क्या हुआ, क्या स्कोर हुआ, and then there used to be a fight to कि रंगा के पास बैठेगा कौन. He had the transistor, right?
और उसका ear plug भी नहीं था, so you have to hear the commentary.
Yeah. So you basically you're lying down on the desk and trying to listen to it.
Correct.
And hoping that the teacher doesn't notice.
And the other thing is also that today the game has become a profession,
Yes.
which it was not, in the 70s and 80s. I think till we won the World Cup in 1983. Until then, cricket was still, these guys used to work for, either PSUs or some, business houses, and so they would basically play cricket in their spare time, and then they were obviously, because they were good players, and they got selected to play nationally, and today, but the scenario has changed completely. It has become so competitive, like I was saying, that if you don't perform, you can lose your place in the team very quickly. I mean 3-4 match agar I'm like Mayank Agarwal ko dekh lo. I mean, like that day he had a chance to redeem himself,
Correct.
So we don't know what it's going to be like, the team composition. I don't know. I'm sure he must be still in the team, but whether he'll make it to the playing 11 or not. The other thing I think is very, very important in the for the success of particularly our team is also the professionalism that has come into the coaching and the support staff. We cannot kind of forget that. I mean, and I think at every stage, every player talks about it, that how, and it's ironical that, people who, I mean, I'm not talking about Ravi Shastri here, but look at our bowling coach, Bharat Arun, batting coach, Vikram Rathore. All these guys never did well when they were playing.
Exactly. They played 1 or 2 test match,
but see, they have the talent. They know where, I mean, they probably learned where they went wrong, and and that's what they're kind of also bringing all that, and they're putting it to good use today when training all these youngsters. You see,
correct.
And listen, as it always happens, it happened in 1983 when we won the World Cup, and the same thing today. Literally, I mean, this particularly this 4th test was, I mean, a team of underdogs here, and then all the stories that come out. I mean, like, listen, Anand Mahindra has gifted 6 SUVs to all these youngsters. There was a video of this Shardul Thakur going back to his house, and how dhol and all that kind of was being played, and so it's I mean, it's inspiring, not just for other young players, but I think it's inspiring to people as a nation, as people of this country, and I think we have a lot to draw from this as generally as people. That's what.
So you are right. See, one more thing I want to ask you guys, because see, when IPL came, opinion was divided about what IPL was, what it would do, how IPL could actually mess up with Test cricket. All of this happened. IPL came in 2008. Usse pehle ICL tha, which sort of obviously wasn't the board's approval, so it got.
Z वालों का ना, that.
Z का था, correct. तो वो खत्म हो गया. तो today when you see IPL, I'm just picking up from Narayan Swami's point. Look at the chances that the youngsters are getting. Guys who probably would never make the team, they're still making a lot of money. So there is a certain stability which comes in. So if you think of the olden times, I mean, to give you an example, I was watching Pankaj Tripathi. Since you spoke of Bollywood, I was watching Pankaj Tripathi's interview. It is a 3-year-old interview where Tripathi is saying he actually had stitched a police officer's uniform. तो वो
Okay.
मतलब वो he would go to sets or he would go to production houses where, I mean, with carrying the uniforms, बोले सर मेरे को लाइन भी आता है, यूनिफॉर्म भी मेरे पास है, मेरे को काम दे दो. You are under arrest, इतना ही तो बोलना है. उससे ज्यादा क्या बोलना है?
Correct.
तो और कानून और ये, and then Pankaj Tripathi also asked, Srinivas is joining us, so let me sort of getting him in. So Pankaj Tripathi says, I never knew कि ये कानून
Birthday boy,
जो,
let's sing. Welcome to birthday boy.
so कानून जो मतलब ये हथकड़ी जो है, हथकड़ी यहाँ दिखाते हैं मिड शॉट में. अभी कौन सा पुलिस वाला हथकड़ी दिखा के घूमता है यार? So similarly, if you look at the cricket also, all the players those days probably wore their own kit uniform. Hi Srini, happy birthday.
Happy
Hi,
birthday,
brother.
Vikas.
Hi, Srini.
Happy
Happy birthday,
guys.
man.
Thank you so
Chalo.
much.
So we were talking
Srini,
about
we
how
are not getting to see you.
IPL sort of made a difference. So any thoughts on that? What has IPL's role been in this scenario?
I think one thing, Raj, I would like to share is that if people like Virat Kohli and maybe Rohit Sharma, they have a lot of exposure to cricket and also a lot of exposure to a lot of other brands. So possibly, that was setting into their mind. One good thing about all these young breed, who went on to win the series was that, they had no such exposure and they were not one up on one another saying that, look, I am bigger than you in terms of, the money I earn or the brands I endorse or whatever. So वो सर में कुछ बैठा नहीं था. Possibly the mind was so free to play the game with a lot of seriousness. I think there's a lot more importance given also by the teammates, including the captain itself. Rahane, he's not a great exposure as far as a brand goes. He does not endorse so many brands. He doesn't make so much money, and people don't harp on someone like Kohli, who's sitting on neat 1,000 crores of money on his pocket. So I think those are the things which played on the minds of these youngsters, and they played freely. I think that is very, very important when it comes to such games. Yeah.
Correct. Hey Ganesh, तू हाथ मत दिखा यार. You are making me look like Arnab Goswami. तो बोल.
नहीं.
वो हाथ दिखा रहा है.
Let me.
Raj
See,
का
we
WhatsApp
talked
देखना
about
पड़ेगा.
IPL.
Srini, I heard that. Ganesh, go ahead.
We
Sorry.
talked about IPL. Hi, Srini.
Yeah,
Hi,
yeah.
Srini. Happy birthday to you. Okay.
Thank you.
You talked was instill a sense of fearlessness among the players who were playing. They were not getting overawed by the presence of foreign players, experienced players, mature players, newcomers, rookies for the last 10 years. You see the Sirajes of the world, they were rubbing shoulders with the Kane Williamsons and the David Warners of the world. They knew their strong and weak points very well. For example, you had people like Washington Sundar who could probably play a Cummins, and it was reflected in the way they played. Washington Sundar of 20 years ago would not have played that shot against Cummins, 2 consecutive shots, one going for 6, another going for 4. This was an IPL effect.
Correct.
Second thing, there was a lot of effort made in the backroom stuff. I remember reading an article an interview by Bharat Arun, who said that Ravi Shastri had actually called him in July of last year and talked about kind of how to contain Smith. It was the containment of Smith because Smith is supposed to be the numero player for them. And what he did was cut the offside off. If you cut the offside off, Smith, as you know, he takes the 4th stump, the off stump guard, and he keeps shuffling towards the offside. So what they did was when Ashwin came along on the first day of the 2 test matches in Melbourne and Sydney, or rather Adelaide, I should say, they kept a leg slip because Smith had a tendency of going into the offside and shuffling across, and
Correct.
he got caught on the leg slip.
Yeah. So
Small things which have worked.
So I would recommend. I don't know if.
What I'm trying to say is IPL. Talking of IPL, yes, this instilled a lot of confidence in the youngsters. They instilled a lot of the awe was never there, even at the Gaba. History, and these guys had never seen history because they were all new. The Shubman Gills and the Rishabh Pants of the world were fearless.
Yeah, so I'll just
give them
just 1 second, Ganesh. 1 second. I'll just combine what Raghu said and what you said. So Raghu brought in the point that they played with an empty mind. I mean, for them, the fear of a loss or that wasn't there. So which is also what you are saying. See, the backroom thing, you can plan anything in the back room. Somebody has to deliver there, no? Ravi Shastri and Bharat Arun can't go and play there. At the end of the day, the guy who is playing has to play. तुम कुछ भी प्लान बना लो, वो बढ़िया है, अच्छा है. I mean, some of you are in this group. I mean, Srini, for example, I mean, was in the army. I mean, in the defense. Nani, you run your own enterprise. तुम जितना भी प्लान कर लो, जो बंदे को करना है वो अलग करेगा, तो तुम क्या उखाड़ लोगे फिर? कुछ नहीं होने वाला ना. So my point is that, and then by the way, what I was going to say was there is this fantastic video series. Ashwin has created 3 videos along with the fielding coach Sridhar. So if you guys haven't watched it, YouTube mein dekhna please. It's in Tamil. Fantastic. It's a riot.
Fantastic.
Fantastic
So
video.
you,
It's a riot.
should. I will send that link. I will start sending that link.
Send it.
Send it.
We'd like to watch it.
Super.
Super hai. So Srinivas, what is your? I mean, we didn't ask him because birthday boy yaar, usko thoda time dete hain. Srinivas, what was your thing? Because you were not that cricket crazy guy like many of us, the rest of us here.
No, but
That video is. Hey, Srini.
I'll tell you what. Firstly, thank you for your wishes. The biggest thing is, firstly, I thank our DTA group for bringing me back alive into Test match cricket because it had died in my heart maybe 20 years back. So credit goes to you for for 5-6 of you who are so enthusiastic. My corollary to all the arguments that you guys are making, and I can only think about flying. In airlines, we fly a lot. We fly 1,000 hours in a year. We fly 6 landings a day. Okay. In corporate, you fly 20 hours in a month, which is hardly 200 hours in a year. Okay, compared to the 1,000 hours, and hardly a few landings. So what happens is when you play less or when you land less, the skills that you absorb, what you learn is directly proportional to how much. So if you ask me whom will you induct, I will induct an airline pilot because he's done it day in and day out. Okay, and that's where IPL has played a big role because you are playing. Sometimes you feel, will I be able to keep so many matches? Match khatam hua, I will be able to handle so much volume that is there. You know. Now another thing which Gigi just brought out of exposure to foreigners. Now that's my experience. When I was flying for Air India in the initial period, I had only expat captains and examiners. So what happens is, while it's the same aircraft, you can't really do much. You're not doing an aerobatic thing or anything. You're doing simple takeoff and landing. But when you fly with all these expat veterans, each guy gives you something which you will remember for a lifetime. You know, so the exposure that he's referring to when you play with greats in an IPL format where you're learning so many things. I'm sure that is one of the things that these guys are getting.
I'd like to take that analogy which Srinivas just gave of working with, people from other countries. So in my own business, when I started, in 84, but in the late 80s, from about 89 till about, I would say almost 99, for 10 years, I worked with some of the best in this industry, and there is so much of learning that comes because, for me it was like, acha, aisa bhi hota hai, aisa bhi karna hota hai. It's like, oh, I never thought about it. I never knew that this had to be done like this. And so with learning, I think sophistication is also very important. I'm talking about our own business, and I think working with expats like Srinivas says is an amazing experience. Also, I think I don't know if you guys have watched this documentary. It's a Netflix documentary. I forget the name of it. It's about the Mumbai Indians team.
Yeah.
and I forget the
Yeah.
name. Sorry, bad with remembering names. But now it also depends on how, like in an IPL scenario, how a franchise is treating you, for example. And obviously Mumbai Indians, they don't have any dearth of money, man. And the amount of money they spend on these players is incredible. And Jayawardene as a coach has been phenomenal for the success of their team. So again, it kind of reinforces the point that working with people from different countries, from different and those guys bring their experience, adds to phenomenal learning for our players, particularly the youngsters. And this fellow Ishan Kishan, for example, if you look at him, on that documentary, you will see how they work on him. I mean, he's a young chap, and it's difficult to work with these youngsters, not easy, and you need a lot of patience. And Jayawardene as a coach has done a great job. I mean, if you guys haven't watched it, please do watch that.
It's true.
Watch that documentary.
It's true. Actually,
Yeah,
see,
it's called Cricket Fever. I watched it.
Yeah, Cricket Fever. Thanks, Ganesh. Yeah.
So this is very true, because see, one of the things, one more thing I want to bring in here is the way the game is played today. If you look at it, the way the game is played today is almost akin to what football was over the years, right? इतने सालों से football में यही हो रहा है. I mean, when do you think of the national team in football? When the World Cup happens once in 4 years. उसके पहले तो किसी को याद ही नहीं आता. We are all watching the La Ligas and the Bundesliga and all of those things, where you see all the same players play, right? So it is becoming player centric. Some people call it ki theek hai, this is football for hire or cricket for hire, but that is professional sport, right? I think that's what we are talking about. That is where the quality of the sport itself has gone up. अरे कितने कैचेस आईपीएल में हमने देखे जो हम लोग कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते. हम लोग गिरते ही नहीं थे, वो अलग बात है. अपने टाइम पे वो बॉल साथ में आ गया तो आ गया. But think of the things that have changed in cricket. I mean, over from the time we were trying to play cricket or whatever we were playing, अपने grounds में खेलते थे. तो think of what it was then and think of what it is now. I mean, the change.
It is too much of practice.
One second, Ganesh, 1 second. Krishnan, you were saying something?
The boundary line catches nowadays, people jump across they try to avoid, saving the six and taking that catch. Correct. That is something which is really practiced so well. So many, first catch similar to that. Now it is happens, most of the each matches similar catches is happening.
हमारे टाइम पे देखो ना, you are right, Krishnan. कुछ भी नहीं था. See, when Kapil Dev took that catch in the World Cup final, for us that was it. भाई हो गया यार, इसने पकड़ लिया बॉस, इससे आगे कुछ नहीं हो सकता है ना. See that journey, so that is what is valuable. I think Mohan, you brought in a very good point here, because see, at the end of the day, it's sport, and sport grows only when there is the sports people come together, the coaches come together, they are sharing notes. ये ऐसा नहीं है पहले टाइम पे, मतलब हमारे see, I don't want to name any names, or I don't want to, just think of the times when our good students will say, नहीं हम तेरे को नहीं दिखाएंगे, हम अपने आप लिखेंगे.
राज एक चीज
और हमारे जैसे लोगों को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लिख लो यार, हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
See, one thing is that इंडिया में जो आईपीएल फॉर्मेट आने के बाद most of the sports have come in similar format.
Correct.
But कबड्डी, साला कबड्डी कभी हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि साला इतना पॉपुलर होगा. मजा आ गया. मतलब now we know that वो जब शुरू होता है, उसके बाद जब तक वो पूरा सीरीज खत्म नहीं होगा ना, everybody watches कबड्डी. हमारे स्कूल में चेंगोडन था कबड्डी का चैंपियन, if you remember.
Raj, another thing I must tell you. Asian cricketers minus the Pakistani, our mindset is totally different. We play what we call as disciplined, natural, and concerned kind of game, unlike what Australians do, or even Englishmen do, or even South Africans do. West Indians have reduced, despite their huge figures that they have reduced that scary kind of a cricket. But still, Asians play what we call as a very defensive cricket even today. I mean, minus the Pakistanis. I think they will tame down with not too many countries visiting them now. Even that mindset has to change. For Indians, the killing is not there. You know?
Yeah, you're right. I mean, see, I think this would, I think, I mean, I would assume that what happened at Brisbane would change that. So I think that is a fantastic point that you're making, because
That is a killer
हम में से
instinct.
किसने सोचा था यार कि वो जीत जाएंगे? I mean, none of us sitting here, I think 5 of us are there. Shini is in and out. He's getting calls, I guess, because he sent a message. So who would have thought we would win that goddamn match? And I don't think even the coaches and the captain had an inkling कि ये लोग जो है लड़के, they are planning something else. See, Ganesh spoke about Washington Sundar 20 years back. Washington Sundar 20 years back just was born, and some of the others were probably not even a glint in their parents' eye. When we are talking about these guys, वो सोचे भी नहीं गए थे वो.
But Raj, even in previous match, we could have gone for the win, except that that Hanuma Vihari and Ashwin were not.
Correct. They were not well.
Otherwise,
even
we would have gone for a win.
Yeah.
We were not very far in that sense. In
Yes.
terms of numbers, we were not very far.
See,
So it
that
could have
is,
been 3-1. It could have been 3-1 also.
yes, that is there. That is where the thing is. See, that is, for me, that is the beauty of this series. कि हम लोग, I mean, what we missed in the process. See, last time India went to Australia, what happened? बोला स्मिथ नहीं है, वार्नर नहीं है, तुम जीत गए तो क्या हुआ? About all of that things happened, right? तो अभी क्या है, स्मिथ भी है, वार्नर भी है, सब कुछ है, ठीक है. अभी तेरे पैर में चोट लगा तो मेरा प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है यार. अपने यहाँ पे, like Ganesh mentioned, only 2 guys played all the 4 matches, which was Cheteshwar Pujara and Rahane, और किसी ने नहीं खेला. I mean, all the guys were, I mean, they just sort of वो किधर उधर पता नहीं. It's almost like वो घूम रहे हैं, ठीक है यार तू आ जा. जैसे हमारे टीम में, स्कूल में टीम बनता था ना, तो कौन खेलेगा? अच्छा ठीक है तू आ जा हमारे टीम, मेरी टीम में टेस्ट.
बस
that is the discipline.
नट्टू इसे नेट्स बॉलर लेके गए थे उसको तो.
हाँ तो अश्विन ने बोला ना, नटराजन से नटराजन बन गया.
नटराजन, हाँ.
I actually like that.
है ना? तो
So-
वो सही बोला तूने. वो बड़े यार तू भी आ जा. वो जोक भी आ रहा था ना, रवि नेक्स्ट मैन रवि शास्त्री आ जाएगा.
हाँ, अब हमारा श्रीनिवास used to be the scorer in some of the matches. तो हम लोग
I've broken a glass in JNU also, yaar.
देखो नहीं, हम लोग बोल रहे थे कि the team, हाँ,
याद है हमें, हम लोग आईआईटी ग्राउंड या जेएनयू ग्राउंड में जाके,
JNU
हाँ वहां जाके, वो भी डीडीए के उतर के वहां से नीचे वो कुंड के अंदर से उतर के बैट पीछे 11 बंदे लाइन से जाते थे. हाँ वो पूरा वो क्या बोले बुशेस के बीच में से जाके फिर साला वो जेएनयू के ग्राउंड में जाके खेलते थे.
हाँ, तो उस टाइम पे भी हमारा टीम ऐसे ही बनता था ना, कौन खेल रहा है.
कौन खेल रहा है.
It was almost like that. That is the way the Indian team was created this time. I mean, every match you had 2-3 players going out, 2-3 players coming in, and then you still make it. So I think this is what is unique in this team and in this game. I think मेरे हिसाब से तो this was it. This was something which was never expected. हम में से किसी के lifetime में ये शायद हुआ नहीं था. And one of the things which makes me very happy is that New India is very, very different from even our India.
Raj, I just sent you an image. If you could, on your WhatsApp, if you could just download and share it on the screen. Please.
I'll do that. You can speak about it. बताओ क्या है?
Maybe
this is all these are statements by the naysayers prior to this series and
हाँ.
So I was watching this program on TV, and where they brought up this caption, which is basically snippets of what each one of them said. It will be interesting to read it. That's right.
Yeah. So I mean, Michael Clark said, "Can you imagine this Indian batting lineup without Virat Kohli for the next 2 Test matches? They are in deep trouble." Ricky Ponting, there could be a good chance of a whitewash with Kohli not being there. Mark Waugh, I just can't see how India can bounce back after Australia whitewashed them on the 3rd day in Adelaide. And the best was Michael Vaughan, जिसको मतलब बेगानी शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना type. So says, told you India are going to be hammered in the Test series. And then Brad Haddin, I thought India's only opportunity to win a Test was at Adelaide. I don't think they'll be able to turn it around. But I'll tell you one thing, Nani, बड़ा interesting था Michael Vaughan का, because I am active on Twitter. Michael Vaughan का एक वो आया था after this I mean his debacle. उसका debacle था वो बेचारे का. तो उसने where he said boss,
Egg on the face.
Yeah,
Egg on the face.
Egg on the face करके he was upfront about it, which I liked. कि कम से कम बाकी किसी ने नहीं बोला. None of the other guys said anything. Michael Vaughan was open and said, you know what, egg on the face. It's okay.
And he said, I'm looking like a fool in UK today.
Yes.
London, whatever.
Yeah.
He meant,
Yeah. So I actually posted on his Twitter timeline also. मैंने कहा यार ठीक है अच्छा है तूने बोला लेकिन time to eat your words Michael Vaughan, but I admire your tweet nonetheless करके मैंने tweet किया उसको. That's a true sports person. भैया तू ठीक है हार गया.
Right.
I don't know whether you are aware. There is another controversy which an Englishman is trying to rake up over Rahane's gesture of gifting that T-shirt
The
to
T-shirt. Nathan
Twitter.
Lyon.
हाँ नेथन लाइन ट्विटर पे चल रहा है वो तो देयर इज अ बैटल गोइंग ऑन हम भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं हम भी घुस गए हैं मैं
अच्छा.
बोला तो बंदा बोलता है कि हाउ कैन यू डू दिस बिकॉज दिस इज क्या शिट होल्डरी और समथिंग लाइक सम वर्ड ही हैज यूज्ड एंड ही सेज कि सी when a player is down and out to get him to walk and collect the this thing is in bad taste तो मैंने कहा अबे गधे हमको कौन सा मालूम था हम जीतने वाले हैं क्योंकि टी शर्ट तुमने पहले बना के रखा है
बिल्कुल
है जी हमको नहीं मालूम था अगर हम हारते भी देते अगर हम ड्रॉ करते तब भी देते अब इसने मुंह बना लिया तुम साले इसके मुंह पे तुम आई मीन जस्ट बिकॉज ही हैज अ सैड फेस डजंट मीन दैट देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विथ मी यार वो दुखी आत्मा एंड दैट ऑल ऑफ देम वर हैविंग हैप्पी फेसेस नो व्हेन इंडिया व्हेन द फर्स्ट 5 wickets went down.
Well, I must honestly confess something on this. When I saw that, I said, dude, this is like rubbing salt on the wound.
It happened that way. I agree. See, it happened that way. But it was, can it be planned that way when you are not even chasing a win?
True.
Can it be planned that way? That is my question. See, it happened that way. When it happened, it looked like, ठीक है बेटा अभी तो तेरी तो साले 100वां टेस्ट खेल रहा है तेरे को 25 विकेट लेने थे साले तूने एक विकेट भी नहीं लिया 399 में अटका है तो ये ले गिफ्ट तो एवरीथिंग हैपेंड इन अ वे. हाँ रघु
Nabu Sanghe, when he hit back on Tim Payne, उसके मिड स्टंप पे उसने मारा बॉल he was probably angry with him साले क्या कीपिंग कर रहा है ये ले मेरा बॉल ले तो दूसरे मारा उसने उसको है ना
यार वो वांटेड पिक्चर देखा क्या उसपे ना एक बोलते हैं ना जब तुम एक अच्छा सा पुलिस ऑफिसर को देखोगे तो तुम्हारा मुंह निकलेगा है ना अभी वो इंग्लैंड का पूरा हालत टीम का ऐसे हालत हो रहा होगा कि भैया अभी इंडिया ने तो जीत के आया अभी हमें इंडिया के सामने खेलना है सबकी मुंह निकल रही होगी.
See, England ने से एक गलती सही now that you speak about, let us sort of move ahead and talk about England and then we can wind up because आप बड़ा मस्ती से बात कर रहे हैं. Christian brought up a good point because see, England also stayed away from IPL for a long time, right? Ganesh, England stayed away from IPL for a long time. Suddenly I mean, there are a bunch of English players in IPL and all of them are very important players for their own franchises, right? So I think I mean Ganesh, you've been silent. क्या लगता है? What does that indicate? See, IPL is yeah.
Well, very interesting point you brought in, Raj. Now you see England is right now playing this two test series against Sri Lanka. And as we speak, I think they already got a 1-0 lead and probably they might save the second test. A very interesting thing which England has done is they have rested a few of the key players like Archer, Stokes, and so on and so forth. And they're also going to have players. They have identified players for the first two tests in Chennai, which is coming up against India. And some of these guys will go back and they'll come back again and re-quarantine themselves in India with a view to play the third and the fourth test. So they're doing a kind of over a 25 strong players, they are doing a kind of a balancing act because they know for a fact that 4 tests in Indian heat is not going to be easy, like the way Indians found out in Australia. It's not easy, particularly when you're coming after a 8-month hiatus, like because of the COVID. And England, as you rightly said, there are few players who have made their names in the IPL, very key players like the Butlers and the Bairstows of the world, the Morgans and the Stokes of the world. But then the majority of the guys are still not in IPL, so they're relatively fresh. So England in test have improved. So it's not going to be very easy for India to score a 4-0 kind of a drubbing, which most of us would expect with the main team coming up, with the main team back in action. And it's not easy. But then having said that, England and India have already sprung surprises in the past. At least in the recent times.
Yeah. We'll wait and see. We'll wait and see.
Forward to a very interesting series.
We'll wait and see because you're right. One point you're right because even in Sri Lanka they played in one test match they played Anderson, the other test match they played Broad. So can they afford to do that in India is my question.
Broad, yeah.
कि अलग-अलग horses for courses कर सकते हैं because see Indian batsmen in their backyard are disastrous, devastating, or call it what you like. So I mean it will be a classic game.
Archer coming out, so they will probably rotate among the two of them. Yep,
Yeah. There is Mark Wood and Archer, so it will be an interesting thing. I mean, comments from each of you, and then we'll probably wind up about the England series.
I feel, see, first of all, every series is different. Playing conditions are different, and also let's not forget the fact that we've been touring Australia since when now? Almost like 2 months now, right? So
November
there is
end or
also-
something like that. Huh?
Let's not forget that there is also fatigue. Okay, after all, it's human body. It's not like a machine that tel dala or chalu kar diya. Even machine needs very overhauling. So, in terms of confidence, yes, I think they they're on the back of this series, which we have won, and amazing, no doubt about it. But at the same time, we are looking at totally a different series, different team, different playing conditions. We haven't played test in India for a while, so everything needs adjustment. And so yeah, I mean, of course, on a humorous note, all this sounds good. But I would take this series lightly. It could go either way. Of course, we know our conditions better than anybody else, so therefore that we do hold that advantage. And home ground is home ground. I don't know. Are we going to be spectators allowed for these test matches? I don't know. I have no idea.
अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं है. What they're saying is they might allow spectators.
Sorry?
Spectators.
Yeah.
No spectators for Chennai.
Yeah.
Chennai, no spectators. Closed
Yeah.
match.
So
Both the matches.
So all that also matters, boss. In a ground when you have people, it's different. Let's also not forget the fact that I suppose 90% of the crowd in Australia was Indians.
नहीं वो तो हर जगह होता है यार. I mean अभी तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम.
But anyway, so that's what my take is, and the other thing that we have to also think about is that what will they do with these players who played the last test? How are they going to get opportunities? I mean, I don't know. I mean, it'll be a shame for them to be sitting on the bench after performing so well. At least if there's a way of rotating them or something like that. I don't know. Of course, this is all, these are management decisions, and I suppose the team management and the selectors know better than we know. But yeah, I suppose it will be a shame if they are just sitting on the fence and looking at others playing after this fantastic performance. Yeah.
Yeah. So for starters, one of the things that has already been done is Natarajan is not there in the
series.
For the first two matches. उसके बाद पता नहीं. So yeah, others here. Raghu.
Yeah. England, if you see in the previous past, I think they have fared well in India. Possibly there are a lot more Indian-based, cricketers in their own team. And I think they have done well. So 4-0, I don't think that's possible. But I think India will win the series, possibly 2-1 or, either way. It will definitely not be 4-0. But yes, we must accept that England have fared well in the last two series when they played in India against India. Yeah. That's fine.
Krishnan, what's your take? Krishnan ji. तभी बोलेगा क्या? वो सुन रहा. चलो Srini, I think.
Raj, one more point.
Yeah.
Point of motivation for Indian team. A point of motivation for Indian team is they have to win at least 2-0 to make it to the finals of the WTC or 3-1. That is extremely important because Australia are going to tour South Africa, and if Australia can regain their better game against South Africa,
Australia needs to win 3-0.
Kind of a doldrums.
Australia needs to win 3-0, which is not possible. I don't think which is possible.
2-0.
3, because they lost the last test. 3-0. Last test हार गए वो.
I sent you the link. You have a look.
I mean that it would have changed.
Australia needs to beat South Africa by completely.
Yeah, I think Australia is number 3 now.
Australia 2-0. Then they go ahead of.
See,
Okay,
they'll
let
go
me tell
ahead
you.
of.
India, New Zealand, Australia. India loses less than 2-0. 3-1 or 2-0, India has to win. Otherwise, they will fall behind. They will come to the second place, and New Zealand goes ahead. If Australia beat South Africa by 2-0, then Australia come into the second position, India go to the third position.
See, I
That is
don't
the
think
problem.
they'll be worrying about these things because I think, like
I
Raghu
know, but
said,
then,
I don't think they'll be worrying. I'll come with my thoughts in the end. So I want Srini and Krishnan to say something.
Yep.
क्या है? What is your expectation from this? India में खेल रहे हैं, चेन्नई में खेल रहे हैं.
Finally, it is a game of cricket. Matches can go either way, but the one thing which can kill is complacency. You know, when you think that you're too good, or you beat Australia in their own turf, that shouldn't go to your head.
I agree.
Otherwise, yes, India is a stronger team in their own country, no doubt about that.
Yeah. Krishnan, what's your thought? Huh?
Yeah. See, at this point of time, see whether the 11 who played in the last test match is I don't know, hardly 4 or 5 people are playing in the along with maybe the first test match. Okay? But the entire Indian team are fully motivated. Okay, now India is definitely a better chance. But I mean, in a driver's seat with lot of motivations, Kohli will be really fresh, thinking that we played a very good game and things like that. So even Ishant Sharma took a good break. He may be playing there. Bumrah will be playing. So I think India will be definitely in a better chance to win. England will be definitely under pressure, but I think they have won the Sri Lanka's test match, right?
One test match, yeah. Second test match is
so
on right now.
Exactly. So they will also be in the right position, but it's going to be a very good test match. I don't think so. There is any spectators are going to visit the stadium in Chennai. It is an empty stadium match. That's what they're playing. Yes, it will be a good test. Let's see for the first test match how it goes. Then we'll see. But since we have a lot of backups, as you said, West Nani was saying that these people are, though performed so well, they will not be in the playing 11 or playing 15 also. But we have definitely backup. If some first test match, if they didn't perform well, they can definitely try immediately change and bring some new youngsters to take the second test match.
See, in my mind, it's very simple. I think that it will be the Indian spinners you will have 3 spinners playing, definitely, without doubt. हर ground में 3 spinner खेलेंगे, 2 fast bowler खेलेंगे. And England would think that they would unleash, because Anderson, I don't know how effective he will be in India. I don't think. The grounds don't allow him that. Although in Sri Lanka he was bowling well. The problem with me for me with that is that Sri Lanka's batting is not in the greatest of status today. When they are below mediocre. Abhi poor fellows, they are not even in the IPL now. You see how many Sri Lankans are there in the IPL. We talked about Mahela Jayawardene. We talked about so many other. Kumar Sangakkara, by the way, is coming as director of cricket for Rajasthan Royals now. So from this coming this thing. So वो नहीं है वहाँ पे. तो क्या बचा है?
राज, एक चीज सॉरी, ये चेन्नई सुपर किंग का कोई इंग्लैंड टीम में कोई बंदा है क्या?
हाँ, सैम करन.
तो सैम करन अभी वो नहीं, सैम करन जो इंग्लैंड का बंदा है ना, हाँ, वो अभी टेस्ट मैच में है क्या?
बिल्कुल खेल रहा है. वो
खेलेगा, वो परफॉर्म करेगा, बिकॉज़ उसका ग्राउंड नॉलेज अच्छा होगा ना.
Raj, he is going back for the first 2 tests. He is not playing.
Which is okay. Doesn't matter.
He is going as a part of the.
So which means it's in my mind, then we can say it's a blunder. So पढ़ा रहने दो ना. I mean, good for them, good for us. Because see, अभी इनका England का challenge क्या है? England is not, in my mind at least, is not as complete a team as the Aussies were. I don't think so. They have brilliant individual performers. You have a guy like. See, don't forget, the same English team was badgered by Australia in Australia. यही टीम था, यही बॉलर्स थे. स्टीव स्मिथ के सर पे बॉल लगा, लाबुशेन आया, दोनों खेलने लग गए. So, I mean, let us put it in perspective, is what I'm saying. See, I feel India is definitely holding the edge. Now, if you want to lose the series, you can. As far as I'm concerned, it's a win. I mean, I would be surprised if you lose from here. That's the way I'll put it. Because तुम्हारे spinners हैं, you have a scenario where you can play based on how many left-handers are there in the other side, you can play Sundar and Ashwin together with Jadeja coming in, or you can play Kuldeep Yadav and Ashwin and Jadeja. So your variety is humongous. And then don't forget, Akshar Patel bhi ghusa hua hai, just in case Jaddu bhai theek nahi hue to. So, I mean, I think they have covered their bases well, is the way I see it. So let us wait and see. Any concluding thoughts, guys, before we 1 घंटा बात कर रहे हैं आराम से. See, schoolmates can go on and on. That's what it shows. Any thoughts?
See, okay, I'll go. This series is a landmark series for not only us, for the future generations. Like the way we looked at Kapil Dev's 1983 as a landmark year, a landmark achievement in Indian sport. This will be remembered for not only us, next generations. And this is the kind of a watershed series.
Yep.
Where India has shown to the world that they can be wild beaters and probably a champion side like the West Indies and the Australian sides of the early 2000s.
Yeah. And we seem to have a nasty
this is the
habit
starting point of a great journey.
Yeah, we seem to have a nasty habit of messing up with the Australians' records. 15 टेस्ट जीते 16वां हार गए 2 बार. अभी सडनली देखा तो अभी गाबा में नहीं जीते, गाबा में 22-32 साल से नहीं जीते. ठीक है, हम जीत के दिखाते हैं. तो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक वी आर गोइंग आफ्टर देम कि ठीक है, तुमको नहीं छोड़ेंगे, हम बाकी किसी को छोड़ना छोड़ देंगे.
No, but I think Indian team has had the distinction of doing that not just to Australia, but just to, I think, just about every team.
Everyone.
बहुत लोगों का हमने करियर भी खराब किया है.
उंगली करके जाते हैं, मतलब उंगली करना जरूरी है हमको.
Well, my concluding thoughts, I agree with Ganesh. I think it reminds you of the victory in 1983 in the World Cup, and I mean, and the performance, not just the victory of the finals. I think it reminds you of the performance, in 1983. So yeah, I would definitely put it, at par with that tournament.
Yep.
And my thought would be that the 5-day matches are back in business. So it is no more 20-20, 50-50 as Nanwa said it very clearly. There is a renewed interest in 5-day matches, and we need that from our earlier days.
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely, man. I mean, you hit the nail on the head.
नानी ने एक बार बोला था, पता, वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में कि वो 4 days को जो थिंक कर रहे थे वो तो अभी भूल ही जाएंगे.
हाँ, सही बात है, बिल्कुल सही है. 4 days टेस्ट मैच भूल जाएंगे वो that is out of the window.
कर रहे थे वो तो अभी भूल ही जाएंगे.
तो सोच के देखो यार, तुम्हारे पास you had a series where the T20 series went 2-1, the ODI series went 2-1 in favor of Australia. Test series goes 2-1 in favor of India on the last hour of the series.
Yeah.
उससे ज्यादा क्या चाहिए? I think Raghu,
hats off.
It would have been 3-1. Yeah, hats off, man. I mean, that was a fantastic point. I think Test cricket is big. I think that also links with what Srini said. I mean, इतना लंबा जो वो चलता है ना, 2020 सब अभी 3 घंटे में खत्म हो गया. I mean, this is like, who has done more landings?
It's a great point Raghu made, and I think the game also, I think Test cricket has come full circle basically.
Full circle,
from a time when it was whatever it was was still enjoyable, mind you, and then the 1 day and the T20, it's kind of changed the pace of the game. It's changed the it's also even something like a DRS, for example, has made it more interesting, because otherwise, if you remember, there were series where umpiring decisions have cost
India Pakistan.
Huh?
India Pakistan याद नहीं है. I remember that match where when the scores were equal, the Pakistani umpire removed the bails. So somebody said, "अबे गधे, एक और अभी 1 run और बनाना है. क्या पे पागल है क्या? उठा के ले गया."
Oh yeah, absolutely great point. Test cricket has really come a full circle.
Yeah.
I think it's becoming even more enjoyable to watch. Yeah,
I guess.
I don't know. India Pakistan match.
I think it's about time that cricket is made the national sport of India. Yeah. I think the time is come.
No, I don't think, listen, I have a different take on this. I don't think we should make it a national sport because it is de facto a national sport in any case, right?
Yeah.
So you don't need to crown it. But what cricket is doing, and we probably don't realize it, it is inspiring people to take up sports in general, not necessarily just cricket. people have started doing
Exactly,
much better
exactly.
in other sports in our country. If we look at it.
नानी, देख
Yeah.
एक चीज बताऊं, तू आज के डेट पे तू अपने घर के पास कोई भी एक ग्राउंड में जाके आ, एक ग्राउंड में जा, साला सर वहां पे सिर्फ साला क्रिकेट ही होगा, हॉकी नाम का चीज है ही नहीं। इंडिया में किसी भी जगह पे तू देख,
No.
बच्चे सिर्फ क्रिकेट
It will
ही
take
है।
time.
But
Krishnan,
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ ना यार,
Krishnan,
if you make it a national
what Nani, I agree with Nani. Nani, I agree with Nani, because you see that India actually came of age in cricket in 83. And today we are 37 years, we are talking about cricket today, 37 years on. For hockey to get back its lost glory, its pristine glory, which we had prior to the 1964 Olympics, when we won 7 Olympic gold medals, it will take time. But as you rightly said at the start of that the professionalization of various sports across India has been taken from the professionalization of cricket.
Correct.
It is a piggyback raiding
Yeah.
which has happened.
Yeah.
Corporate money has started pouring in.
Yeah.
I
So-
agree with you, Nani.
So
And Krishnan, you are also right. Today we are seeing a increase in cricket. We are seeing an overdose of cricket, yes. But then other sports will also catch up. You see,
Agree.
badminton,
Agree.
indoor
Of
sports
course.
have taken.
That's what the
big beat.
IPL
They have started.
format is copying across.
Yeah.
So
sports,
Ganesh,
yeah.
hockey, kabaddi,
Absolutely.
badminton,
You hit the nail on the
all these have been commercialized. I mean, the game has not grown in India. It has been commercialized by APL, KPL, whatever, badminton leagues, whatever. But they have been commercialized by these corporates which are handling it. Otherwise, as a game, they have not progressed. Be it hockey or kabaddi. You may be seeing it. Do you see hockey? Do you see a kabaddi league on this thing, NDTV News? No. You see it on some Sony TV or some TV. So obviously it is a commercialization. So I mean, let's not talk about sports getting so much exposure. So brands are using it for their own piggyback riding. That's fine. Yeah, one thing I think I
So
must say. One thing
I'll-
lastly. No, one thing I think Ganesh will remember when India-Pakistan matches used to happen. I think someone said that when India is played in Pakistan, so Pakistan plays with 11 players, 2 umpires, and 1 Allah. Who said that? So,
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
I don't know. So,
So I think I'll wind up this
I
show
think
with
one
just
cricket-
one comment that what Ganesh said, that we should nationalize cricket. I think we should do nothing of that sort, because every time government comes in, you screw it up.
No.
So I think
Boss-
let us denationalize hockey, and then
Raj-
we'll start winning. I
Raj,
think probably.
one second. As soon as India won that last test match, within 15 minutes of that thing, Narendra Modi का tweet आ गया.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है, वो that is piggybacking. Let us forget that. Everybody piggybacks, boss. वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, वो भी piggyback करेंगे. वो छोड़ दो. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ nationalize मत करो.
They will, if you
जिसको
change
nationalize करते
national,
हो, हाँ,
if you
Srinivas.
change national game from hockey to cricket, the father of the nation may also change. I don't want to say it to who.
go on.
I think that is a good place to wind up the show. So I'll stop the recording. We can continue the conversation. So I remember one thing. Let me just put it in context. I remember a minister. There was a minister of IT. The first Indian IT minister, I don't know how many of you remember, was Pramod Mahajan. And I had the privilege of sort of listening to his first speech, which he made in one of the summits. NASSCOM summit hota tha, Bombay mein hua tha. He said, look, I am the first IT minister, but I want to remain as far away from you guys as possible, because I know you are doing a good job. I don't want government to come and screw it up.
Correct.
So I think he was bang on. So I think we should denationalize, argument the national sport of India, because हम लोग बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, and remove hockey, in which case hockey will start winning again, and we can talk about hockey at some other program like this. So thanks a lot, guys. This was really fun, and we'll keep doing this often.
This kind,
Yes, we'll keep doing this more often on topics.
Yeah, what we can do is, I mean, it's my suggestion.
मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ. I'm closing the show, and then we'll talk. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.